U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration plans to reclassify marijuana as a less dangerous drug.
This move could bring with it ripple effects across the whole country, including right here in Illinois. WGN's Courtney Spinelli joins us now here with the details. Courtney.
Hi, Micah and Ray. One thing that needs to be very clear here when talking about this story is that this doesn't federally legalize the recreational use of marijuana. So while it is already illegal in Illinois, the move by the Biden administration to reclassify marijuana is a historic shift in drug policy that experts say will lead to change in taxes and research.
This is the first domino to fall in cannabis reform.
Jason Erkes with Cresco Labs calls the proposal monumental, the biggest change in drug policy since President Richard Nixon declared the war on drugs. The move would reclassify marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3, acknowledging it has less potential for abuse than some of the country's most dangerous drugs.
This essentially moves cannabis off the list with the most harmful and addictive drugs like heroin and puts it in the same class as like Tylenol with codeine.
Federal drug policy inconsistent across states, with many lagging behind. Medical marijuana currently legal in 38, while less than half allow for legal recreational use, including Illinois border states of Iowa, Wisconsin, and Indiana. In 2022, President Joe Biden called for a review of federal cannabis law and moved to pardon thousands of people federally convicted for simple possession.
First, I'm announcing a pardon for all prior federal offenses for the simple possession of marijuana.
Erkes says he believes the new proposal, which has the backing of Attorney General Merrick Garland, sends a message to the criminal justice system. Still, it's not likely there would be major immediate impact since federal prosecutions for simple possession have become much rarer.
It'll impact small businesses and large businesses across the entire cannabis industry.
Erkes says the move would have several major impacts, including giving a level playing field to operate as any other business.
It provides a huge economic boost and tax relief to legally operating businesses.
Easing federal regulations could reduce the tax burden by 70% or more for businesses, a huge relief, as Erkes says capital has dried up, making it difficult in the industry for businesses operating to survive in. The reclassification would also make research easier, in turn, likely seeing an impact for consumers.
What this ruling does is it validates all the people that have been taking cannabis as medicine for years, relying on anecdotal evidence, for why they're taking it.
This isn't a done deal just yet. It will have to go through several more steps before a final rule is published, including getting the signature of the White House Office of Management and Budget.
It's a huge step today to be able to reclassify it to a Schedule 3, but there's a lot more that needs to be done.
Now, some critics argue against the move for reasons including that this would remain a drug regulated by the DEA, and roughly 15,000 dispensaries nationwide would need to register like regular pharmacies and fulfill strict reporting requirements. Critics say the DEA is ill-equipped to handle both of those things. Mike, I'm right.
All right, quite a change. Courtney, thanks so much.